Literally is super easy to make this recipe. That's what I'm talking about. Wow! When I say this is what I'm talking about, look at this. Woo! Soft buns made at home. I'm gonna make this beast ready and enjoy this amazing, easy and fast recipe from my street Iacopelli. This recipe is going to blow your mind. Everything A to Z in an easy way. Make this beast at home. Only 3 hours. I made it only in 3 hours. It's time to watch the video and I'll see you in a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. Oh my God, they are ready. Let's go. Here we go, guys. Let's get the ingredients. Like you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ingredients. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an amazing buns. 2 different kind, but the same recipe. One is yellow turmeric and one is black. We're gonna have a nice black soft bread with 7 cereals. Let's go ahead and let's start this recipe. So that's what you need. 450 grams of flour. Let's add 7 grams of dry yeast, 50 grams of regular sugar, 30 grams of butter, and then 1 egg. Go ahead and break it in the machine. We're going to use 190 grams of water. So let's put F, and let's save the salt and the water at the end. So let's go ahead and turn it on the machine, speed number 1. Let's integrate all the ingredients together, and then we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, at this point, let's go ahead and let's add more water, but not all the water, okay? It's very important to save a little bit for the end. So like you can see now, the dough is getting all together. Now let's go ahead and speed up the machine at number 3, and at this point is when we are going to add 8 grams of salt. So at this point is when the dough starts to create the gluten. Like you can see, it's getting all one piece and the gluten structure is building nice and properly. Let's go ahead and let's speed up more the machine and let's add the water little by little. Up. So we want to do this process until we finish all this water. So it's gonna take about, I want to say 5 minutes. Literally is super easy to make this recipe. Okay guys, we're about to finish this recipe by putting the last amount of water. Boom. So now we wait and the dough, it starts to build up the gluten. Like you can see, it's nice and strong. So now when it gets detached from the machine, we're able to see that the dough is ready or not. Here we go. Like you can see, it's nice and strong. So let's go ahead. Same thing like the pizza dough. Oh guys, by the way, you can make easily this recipe with a regular flour, with any flour that you want. So today I want to make a special. That's the reason why I made this turmeric and the black buns. So olive oil on the counter, on your hands, and let's take out the dough from the machine. Ooh, it's really, really, really strong. My God, look at this. Like you can see, the dough machine, it's all clean. So we're gonna speed up a little bit to get the rest of the dough. Here we go. And the gluten structure here, it's super, super, super strong. So what we want to do here is we want to open really well the gluten structure. We want to like a kind of stretch the dough. Look at the seeds, amazing. This is going to give a nice texture to our buns. This is gonna be amazing. So let it rest just a few seconds. In the meantime, let's go ahead and do the same thing, same process on the black buns. So let's go ahead and let's put the whole flour, same process. The sugar, the yeast, the egg, and the butter, and half amount of the water. Speed number 1, on. And then a little bit, we're gonna go ahead and add the salt and the water. Let's get back here to the recipe. Now close the dough like a fold it inside. You don't want to be in order. Just fold it inside. And like you can see, the counter here is nice and clean. So we want to make a nice ball now, nice and tight. Then close it from the top. Make sure it's closed. We want to keep the air inside. So now it's time to, wow, smells good. Now let's go ahead and let's add the salt. Again, a little bit more water and speed up the machine. So it depends on the flour. The dough it might be more sticky or more hard because not all the flour are really strong. So those kind of flour here are strong, so the dough is really strong, like you can see. Okay, so in the meantime, let's go ahead, let's grab the 2 container clear. I'm gonna get a nice time lapse for you. Let's go ahead and let's finish up this dough, and boom, voila, all the water is there. So same thing here, let's put a little bit of olive oil on the counter, and then boom, the dough is lovely ready. Same way, let's take everything down. This is a little bit more sticky from the other one because the dough is less strong. The dough is weaker compared to this one. Here we go. So let's move the machine out of the way. So now let's go ahead again, little bit of olive oil in your hands, and then open up and let's spread the gluten out. This is to make the gluten much more stronger in your dough. So the more is strong the gluten structure, the more better will become your bread inside. Here we go. So let's flip it over. Now let's go ahead and let's close this way. The dough, it's lovely ready. So let's go ahead, let's put a little bit of olive oil inside the container where we're going to leave the dough. And now let's go ahead and then put it inside our bowl. Same thing on this. Let's go ahead, inside. So now let's go ahead and let's put this beast at resting at room temperature for 2 hours. In the meantime, that the dough is resting and is growing, let's go ahead and let's get ready with all the ingredients, because today I'm going to make 2 amazing sandwiches. Insane and easy and fast to do. So let's go ahead, smash that like, subscribe, and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, here we go, guys. 2 hours is passed by. Let's grab a pan. Any kind of pan is fine. So this is how we find the black dough after 2 hours, and this is the turmeric dough after 2 hours. So like you can see, it's not so much air inside, but it grows the same. So let's go ahead and let's get to the second step here. Let's get the dough out from the container lightly, and make sure you put the, look at this, boom, that's what we want. So now the goal here is to take all the air out from the dough. Wow, imagine if you make a pizza with this. Look at this, strong, fantastic. Let's get the black one. This one grow a little bit less because that's to show you that every flour is different. Grab a scale, little bit of olive oil, and we're gonna make the balls 130 grams. It's super important to make the balls exactly the same amount. Nice and tight. So let me show you how to make the balls. You want to keep this part always on top. So and then you go ahead and fold inside, and then you wanna close it like a balloon. That's the ball. Super simple and easy. Make sure it's closed because otherwise your sandwich is gonna open up on the bottom, and we don't want that. So let's go ahead and let's make the balls, all of them. Okay, let's go ahead and let's make the buns happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the buns right there. You wanna put 3 fingers apart because they're gonna double up the side. So now we're gonna go ahead and let it rest inside the oven off with the light on for about 1 hour, or at room temperature with a towel on top for 1 hour. Ooh, guys, here we go. Oh man, take a look. Wow, the yellow one they look amazing. Now, let's get ready with 1 egg yolk and a little bit of milk inside. Mix everything. And now, we don't want to put too much. So we just want to brush a little bit right there on top. Here we go. Same thing on all of them. Gentle, guys, because we want to keep the air inside those buns. After we brush it all, let's go ahead and let's put the seeds on top. Here we go. Not too much, not too less. And then for the black one, we have some sesame seeds. This way you actually see it. We mix it up. Okay, guys, now, perfect for home. let's set up the oven at 200 Celsius. Open up, boom, 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 and let's put this beast inside the oven. We have all the ingredients ready. I'm gonna tell you right now what we have. Close, and let's wait about 15, 20 minutes. It depends. We need to make a nice color. So let's go ahead and let me tell you what we have here. For the black bun, we have a burger, avocado, truffle, and then finish the final touch with the egg. Then for the other one, for the turmeric, we have a nice Italian sausage, spicy salami, andouille sauce, and to finish, a fresh mozzarella. I'm getting excited because the bread, the buns are ready. So let's get ready and watch this. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God! Woo! I'm sorry if I yell. Take a look, the turmeric. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Those, let me see. They're about to be ready too. They need a little bit more time. Stay right there. Stay right there. Let me get this. My God. Take a look how they come out. Insane texture. I'm gonna put all of this here. Ooh. Oh my God. They're hot. Insane how they come out, man. I mean, comment below what you think. How they come out. How they come out. Let's get one of these. I want to show you the inside of this beast, how they look like. Super soft, super light. I suggest to you to wait before you cut, but get ready. Take a look. Wow. They are super soft. Let's try to take it out. Look at this. Look at this. Ooh. That's what I'm talking about when I say perfection. They are really, really soft. So that means that your stomach will digest this beast really easy. Let's taste. I'm gonna take this out, and we are ready to make those buns lovely. They are actually also ready. Look at this. They also come out fantastic. Guys, before making it ready, let's go ahead. Let's open up this one. Let's see if this one come out also properly good. I let it cool down just a little bit. It's still hot. Let's go ahead. Let's cut. It's crunchy. Ready? Boom. Wow. Even this one come out nice and soft. Take a look. It's nice. It's soft. Let's see if we cut it. Ooh. Look how easy it is to cut this. Wow. So now it's time to go ahead and make a sandwich special by Maestro Iacopelli. So first of all, let's make the turmeric one of my favorite sandwich. Let's go ahead, let's cut this beast in half. Ooh, I mean, did you see this? That's what I'm talking about. That's what we're looking for, this texture. For this one, I want to put andouille as a base, nice scoop of andouille. Don't be shy. Let's go ahead and let's spread. Let's put another sausage, the Italian sausage, right on top of the beast. Let's grab on top a nice spicy salami, and now a nice fresh mozzarella on top. Now a little bit of olive oil face down on top of the pan, and this one inside here, and we go back in the oven. Now let's go ahead, let's get the second one, and same thing here. Let's open up and let's see what we got here. Boom, nice, lovely texture on this one too. We have a pan in the oven, and take a look what we're gonna do here. Then fast, grab that egg, and then break it on top. We wanna keep it there, and we wanna go ahead and cook this egg. In the meantime, let's go ahead and let's make the base of this. So on this one, we're gonna put burger, we're gonna put avocado, just right on top. Beautiful like that. Put a little bit of olive oil on top, and then let's wait. Let's get the egg. The egg is ready. Ooh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Place the eggs on top. Now to finish, the truffle zest, a nice amount on top. And here we go, guys. I presented to you the sandwich with truffle and egg avocado burger. So this is the final touch here. Let's get ready with the breaking the egg. Take a look what we are talking about here. Press, and that's the goal of this sandwich. Let's cut it up. It's time to taste. Boom. Voila. Come here, my sister. I know that you've been waiting for a long time to taste this beast. Let's go. Wow. I really love the egg on the burger. Insane. What do you think?
It's really, really good.
Your turn. Give a vote by looking what's 1 to 10 on the comment. Let's put this on the side. Give some space. We can eat this later. Don't worry about it.
Why?
No, I know. Here. Go. Eat this one. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and cut the other one. Here we go. Let's get the spicy thing. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Boom! I present you the spicy sausage burger. I mean, take a look. That's what we're talking about. Insane texture. Let's get this done. Look. Ready? Stay there, don't move. And 3, and 2, and 1. And boom. Wow! At the color of this beast. Insane! The color of this beast, they look amazing. 3, 2, 1, let's taste this. Wow, it tastes actually really good. The mozzarella gives a nice texture to the, it gets not too spicy. Wow, I think this is my favorite.
It's good, but I prefer
The truffle and eggs,
yes.
more delicate flavor. What's your thoughts? Comment below. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this because I really like